Hi everybody, this is Candace at Gagne Farms. I'm here in the kitchen today. I'm going to be making up some food for the new year. This video is called Don't Miss a Taco Tuesday because I'm going to show you one of my favorite things to use here in the kitchen and on the homestead and how it makes Taco Tuesday so easy. I have 7 pounds of burger here in my pot. And Eric always makes fun of me for using a big pot to scramble burger in, but I tell you what, when you're doing this much burger, it is so much easier in a pot like this than in a frying pan. I don't know about you, but I make a huge mess if I'm using a frying pan. A flying pan, yeah, that's pretty much what happens. It flies everywhere. So I've got my 7 pounds in here. I used 3 pounds to make sloppy joes for dinner tonight, and so I'm using the rest to make up taco meat. And when we're done, we should have enough taco meat for the next 7 Taco Tuesdays. As you can see, we're getting there, almost browned up, and we'll have to drain the grease, and then we'll be ready for our next step. I've got the grease grained, so I'm gonna add taco seasoning and water and let that simmer up into the meat. So now's the time when I show you what one of my favorite kitchen gadgets is. No, it is not my Keurig, although I do love my coffee. It's actually my food saver. I love the food saver. I'm gonna take the taco meat that I made, bag it up into 1-pound bags, vacuum seal it, and then I've got Taco Tuesday for the next 7 Tuesdays. The food saver's on, and the first thing I have to do is make the bags to put the taco meat in. You can buy bags for the food saver that are already cut, and you can use the tool that sucks the air out of them. Or you can use what I'm using here, which is a roll of bags that goes inside, and you can dispense them to the size that you want. So what I did was dispense the bag, and then I hit seal and cut. And it'll heat it, seal it, and cut it. And there's one bag. The most difficult part is getting the taco meat in the bag without making a mess. Sure, there's got to be a solution out there for that somewhere. If you know of it, let me know. I have my bag kind of filled. What I want to do is weigh it because I want to make 1-pound bags for dinners. And there we go. So I'm just going to take this paper towel and wipe off any grease that's on the top. That way the bag will seal well. And as you can see, I made the bag a little bit bigger than what I needed to. I didn't realize that Eric had put the bigger bags in. I thought these were the smaller bags. So the next ones I will make a little bit smaller because I want to save some of the bags. I'm going to flatten out the meat so that it all freezes evenly. And then we slide it in here to the food saver. It clamps on, sucks the air out, and it'll seal it. Now I want to double check it just to make sure that the seal's tight, because sometimes if there's liquid in there like that, it won't seal completely. So I'm going to take a look at the seal here and just make sure that it's sealed all the way across. And if you look, it looks kind of like a little spot right there might not be. So I'm going to investigate that more. So I could actually see liquid passing through that little tiny spot. So what I'm going to do is just put it back in and seal it again. You'll notice that I did keep the bags a little bit longer, and I did that because when you are sealing something that has grease or liquid in it, you need it a little bit longer so that it can suck some of that juice up, but won't necessarily go into the sealing portion of the bag. It's always a good idea to double check your seal when you're sealing something that is greasy or liquidy. And now we look good and sealed. There you have it. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pounds of taco meat all ready to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and don't miss another taco night. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm going to show you one of my kitchen gadgets that I like the best. I don't know if I was recording the last time. I've got the grease grain, so now's the time when I show you what there you go.